Hi, good evening. So in this today's session, we'll talk about AngularJS tables. Okay. So table is nothing but columns and rows where we can display the multiple records, and we can define the column headers using table header, and then we can display the details in the table rows. So this table's data generally repeatable. So the ng repeat directive is going to be used here. So the ng repeat directive can be used to draw table easily in AngularJS. So let me tell you what exactly it is happening with AngularJS tables. Okay. So the tables data is generally repeatable, right? So ng repeat directive is used to draw, right, the table data very easily in AngularJS applications. Let me tell you an example. So this is my table, right? When I say table, I'll be having table headers. Okay, this is my table header. So each header, right? Sorry, define first row as header. So this is something name, and again th marks th tr. And then the actual data, I'm going to define it using repeat tag, right? So let us say that I have a subject collection instead of my controller. Subjects, let's say student dot subjects. Okay. So then this thing I'm going to use it as part of displaying this TD. Student dot name says one TD. And here in another TD, I'm going to say student dot marks. This is going to be repeatedly execute this section, right? So here I'm closing my tr. This tr is going to be repeatedly executed based on this subject, which I'm going to define inside of my controller. So table can be styled using CSS styles. So I think you can add the styles for table header and table columns. And also you can define the selection or alternative colors for, the tr. Okay. So let's see how we are going to do this using AngularJS reference, and how the AngularJS application is going to be displayed the given data. So I'll create another Angular HTML file. So as usual, I'll copy this stuff because I need to have this reference. Okay. And inside of this, I wanted to define styles as I mentioned, right? For the table if you want. So that's anyway we can do this later. For now, we need to define this, and we need to have, right, this thing, sample application. So, right, application for AngularJS tables. So this is AngularJS tables demo. Okay. And here I have a div tag, right? So instead of div tag, I'm going to define the style, table. And before to this, I wanted to, define my model controller model, right? So where my app equal to angular dot model of my app, and my app dot controller of student controller function, which will by default take scope variable. And inside of this, I'm going to define student object. And inside of the student object, I'm going to define, right, the names of student. First name, and this would be Ramana, and last name, this would be Lee, and this is P5000. Okay, and here I'm going to define subjects, which is again an array, right? Like I think we'll copy this stuff here. I think we already defined, right? The subjects, got it. So subjects, oops, okay. This is uh, first subject, second subject, third, fourth, fifth subjects. And after that, so I'm going to define full name as usual. Full name, this is a function. And here, anyway, I'm going to define a variable called student obj. Student obj equal to, right, scope dot student. And then I'm returning student obj dot first name space student obj dot last name. Okay, this is my controller, student controller. This is my app. So going back to my div tag here, so ng app equal to my app, and ng controller equal to student controller. Okay, and inside of this, right, I wanted to display, right, the student details in the table, right? So inside of this, I'm going to define a table. So in this table, I'm going to define tr first, and this basically, having uh, first name and last name, same stuff which we are using. Td, enter first name. This is td, and inside of this, we will have input type text ng model, right, equal to student dot name. Got it. So similar way, I'm going to have this is in second row. This is last name. This is last name, of course. And now I'm going to display subjects, right? Before to this, I'm going to display name. Okay, so here I'm going to say full name. Got it. So I think this I can directly use it. This not required. Student dot name. Okay. And after this, I wanted to display a subjects anyway. Subjects. So in the subjects, I'm going to define TD, and inside of TD, I'm going to define another table. Okay, inside of table, I'm going to define TR and TD. So here I want to display name, and this is marks, right? And after this, I'm going to define another row inside of this. I want to repeat this row for all marks. So I'm going to use ng repeat equal to subject in student dot subjects, right? So, and inside of this, I'm going to display subject dot name and subject dot marks, right? Only two attribute, two no kind of columns we have instead of subjects here, right? A name and a marks. So this is what I'm going to display here, right? And I just wanted to add some styles for TB table and TD. You know, that style border 1 pixel solid gray, okay, and border collapse. This is border ripen collapse equal to collapse padding, okay. And this is one class. Another class is table here and nth child, okay, for or, so alternative. I'm going to define background color, right? White. Let me see this, how it is rendering. Open with this. Oops. Enter first name, last name, and name is not coming out. Subject's not displaying. Why so? Okay, let me go back. Okay, there is a problem. Full name. So how did we define full name? Student, scope, student, first name, and last name. Okay. What is the problem? This is closed. This is closed. Full name, and this is closed. This is closed. And this is closed, and this is closed. So this is okay. My app, student controller, first name, last name, and my app, student controller, student dot first name, student dot last name. What else was the problem? Still, enter first name. Why it is not displaying? Student, scope, student, full name, student obj equal to scope student, student dot first name, student dot last name. And did I miss anything? I think the semicolon. My app controller, student controller function dollar scope dot student equal to this thing, first name, last name, fee, subjects, which is an array, 1, 2, 3, 4, name, and this is closed, and then full name, and this is a function, and then var student object, dollar scope student, return student object first name plus colon student object last name. Okay, and this is not closed, this is closed. Script is closed. And then body is closed. After two, I've done this, all this. And let me try to look past this, how it is not displaying first of all. ng app and ng controller. Body, this is body, and this is application. ng app, my app, ng controller, student controller and table border. Table border I given, that's fine, and tr. Enter first name, input type text, and the model student dot first name. This is closed. Enter type text. Student dot last name, and then name, student full name, and then subjects, name, marks, subject and student subjects, subject name. It's the wrong in it. What's the wrong? What's the wrong? What's the wrong? What's the wrong? Name, student full name. It is okay. Body. Okay. Let me try font back. Just closing font tag and then the script tag. All seems good here. Let me do one thing. First, I'll see this table, how it is coming. Later, we'll see this here. Not displaying it. My app. Student control. My app. Angular. Oops, that's where the problem is. This is very silly sometimes, but we should make sure that names are clear and perfect. Let me open this. Yeah, now it is. Names displaying in full name. And full name, what the problem? Student full name. Okay. That's the full name. Function where your scope student. Oh, this should have wrong. Shit. That's how it is. Full name and marks. So subjects closed. Where is subjects? Subjects tr td table. Good. Then let me go back to the okay. There is my styles and border equal to 0. And this is Angular. This is wrong. Let me open this. Oops. Subjects td close. Where is subjects? Subjects. Okay. Good. This is first name. Okay. And this is second name. So what I'm trying to say about is if you are changing here, right, it will dynamically, right, updating modal. If you look at here, I've taken it first name, second name. This is directly displaying full name. So whatever name you by default having, it is displaying here. But whatever name you are typing, that is automatically updating it here. So this is two-way binding. So view is binding to modal is binding to view. And anyway, marks, subjects, English, math, social. This is super. This is how you are going to use tables in AngularJS. I hope you understood this and try to implement this using this AngularJS, and you will see a good appearance. Okay, thanks for listening to this video, and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.